Lena, can you come to my office? Right now, please.
Sure. Is everything okay?
Close the door. Lena, we have a serious problem. The client report you sent yesterday, it had the wrong numbers. All of them.
Wait, what? That can't be right. I double-checked everything before I sent it.
Well, the client called me this morning. They are not happy, Lena. Not happy at all. Do you understand how serious this is?
Yes, I'm really sorry. I don't know how this happened. Can I see the report? Oh, no. Oh, no. I used last month's file by mistake. I'm so sorry. This is completely my fault.
I appreciate you being honest, but sorry doesn't fix the problem. We need to act fast. Can you fix the report right now?
Yes, give me 30 minutes. I'll have the corrected version ready, and I'll write a personal apology email to the client myself.
Good. And Lena, I need to trust you. This kind of mistake cannot happen again.
I understand. I'll set up a checklist from now on so I never mix up files again. You have my word.
Lena, I heard from the client. They accepted the corrected report. They were still upset, but they appreciated the apology.
That's a relief. I've already started using the new checklist. I really don't want to let you or the client down again.
Everyone makes mistakes, Lena. What matters is how you handle them. You handled it well today.
Thank you. That means a lot. I'll do better, I promise.